What is up, everybody? It is Friday here after work. Just got off. I got everything loaded up and we are ready to go. We're gonna be going to the mountains. So I've been wanting to take these guys to the mountains, and I have the license plate by the way for this guy. I just got to get another set of license plate bolts or fasteners. But heck yeah, I'm ready. We are gonna be riding and then meeting up with Tyler, and he's gonna be moving out of his place down there in the mountains. So we're gonna be taking a big truck and we're gonna load it all up, get there late tonight. The only issue we have right now is, as you can see, I'm missing a shifter. So I guess it was 2 nights ago I was working on my bike and I kind of leaned on it the wrong way. I wasn't even riding it, it wasn't even on, and it did fall over and bend the shifter up and in to where it wasn't really usable. I checked the dealership, they didn't have one in. They wouldn't have been able to get one in before this weekend. So I actually bought a shifter for like I think it was a YZ250 or WR250, and it was just a little bit too wide. The hole was a different size for the shaft. So we're just gonna try to hopefully bend that back and be able to still have some fun this weekend. Other than that, I think we'll be able to get past it, and we're loaded up for a good weekend, and I will get back to you guys probably when we're either loading up the big truck or we'll see. Well, all right, everybody, we made it to the mountains. Ooh, taking me to a little dam spot right here. That's cool. I think we're gonna float this river a little later. But man, this place is sick. He's moving out of his place, so we came up here for the weekend. Definitely gonna have to hit a wheelie here to start off the day. We went out for a quick little ride about 30 minutes ago. There's some OHV trails like 4 miles from his place over here, and they're pretty freaking sweet. We found out we only went like not even a mile into them and we turned around. But look, he's showing me around campus. It's a pretty campus. The mountains are a vibe. Man, this Yoshi sounds so good. I'm loving this bike set up how it is right now with the EJK and the Yoshi. Gonna get a lot of riding in today, that's for sure. Probably gonna have 2 parts to today. I like this campus though, it's pretty. Also, I guess I didn't update on the shifter situation, but we did get her bent back in, or bent back out, and it's basically like new, honestly. So I'm just gonna run it. Woo! But yeah, we got Tyler on the Z. He's also got his KLX300 up here for the trails. But I do want to ride some fun roads too, just some twisties. Alright, so apparently we're going to some private airstrip on top of the mountain or something like that. God, I love this thing. Ooh, that's a sharp turn. I tried to get that 3rd gear shift, couldn't keep her up. Oh my god, yeah, the KLX is feeling minty today. I got them both really, really clean. If you haven't seen my video using the slick products, that stuff's pretty good. But yeah, the Z is also pretty minty right now too. I know in the past I had complained about like the clutch cable being real sticky when I bought it. Finally got a new clutch cable on it. It's perfect, it's good. And I put some Amazon levers, which are actually really nice too. I like the setup, so it's like a whole new bike now, kinda. What do we got here? That's a good view. Oh man, you gotta love uphill wheelies. We're getting up on this mountain though, that's for sure. Woo! That's a view right there. That's pretty. Oh yeah. Dude, I love the wheelies going uphill, just so effortless. It's fun. And these roads. I could live out here. Look, they got a little private airstrip with some like little biplanes. That's pretty dope. Trying to jack a plane real quick. I like how it's all like the little mini biplanes. Yeah, I'm about to pull the bikes up for a picture. Appreciate it.
I got a 17 that I'm redoing right now.
Nice, nice. That's pretty cool though. They got a bunch of little mini biplane things. This is already fun as heck.
Word, you like it?
Yeah.
We should have come up sooner.
Well, that was a nice first little quick pit stop, and literally probably like, oh, you got a little wheelie going up the hill. Woo! And down we go. Even the ride down was a blast. Just kind of dipping into these turns. Obviously, I don't have no sticky road tires, but the stock dual sport tires, they're just fine for not going crazy on the road. Tyler's got the Z ripping up there. They got it all leveled out over here.
Ride down, ride down, back up.
Whoa. Oh shoot! Hopefully the Z can make it back up. I'm gonna get this on video. Go!
It's all about the whole shot. Whole first gear on.
Ah! Let's see if he can make it. Oh my god! Oh my god! I stopped because I wanted to film him and I almost lost my This is actually really steep. Just looking at this, I did not think it was steep, but this is like, oh my god. You might have to go up that way. Oh, I just dipped into a mud puddle. That's sick. Mud puddle. That's sick. We're good though. Let's watch him come back up. This will be good. Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. Keep that momentum. Oh, okay. Well, he's making it up.
I'm on street tires.
Dude, that was pretty bad.
I don't want to hear nobody ever complain
Yeah.
about their bald tires.
And down we go again. I have been wanting to take the KLX and the Z to the mountains so bad. I haven't, since I've gotten these bikes, I haven't really taken them to the mountains, and it's a blast riding out here. God, this thing pulls good. I'm so content with this bike right now, honestly.
I'm not trying to have my bag smell like gas.
That's a pretty property. So apparently he's taking me to some movie scene. I think it's from the movie Fugitive, from like the train wreck scene apparently. So let's go check it out. So apparently this fenced in area is it, I think. I just had to do that quick wheelie. Alright, let's check this thing out. Yeah, this is a big old hill. Sign. Whoa! Where's it from? Fugitive? Haven't seen it. I'm gonna have to look. Watch it.
Train come.
Oh, yeah.
Get out of the bus. You have to jump it out just in time, you know.
So that's the wrecked train? That's it? And then there's a prisoner bus too? Oh yeah, look at that. That's wrecked for sure. Whoo!
Damn, 260,000 pounds. There's not much to see in this one. There's a Komodo right there.
Oh yeah, there's the prisoner bus. Illinois. Then whatever that is. Where you go? This is pretty cool. Let me know, have any of y'all seen that movie, Fugitive? You recognize the scene? Hey! He's the fugitive! Woo! Well, alright everybody, I think that's gonna do it for this video. We got some good wheelies in, did some exploring, found the little airstrip on top of the mountain, and the that movie scene was pretty cool to check out as well. Be sure to subscribe and drop a like. Next video, or probably gonna go grab some lunch right now and chill for a second, and then we'll go head for those OHV trails. And the next video will be more off-road stuff we'll be doing. So appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.